Hi guys, I'm gonna give you some tips about creativity program beta over here. Let's dive into TikTok app and let me show you some tips. Hit on the profile picture, hit on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on creator tools, the first option over here, okay? Then you want you to click over here where you see the monetization. You wanna scroll to the side and you wanna click on TikTok creativity program. Okay, so the main point with the whole program is that you need to have 10,000 followers, you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days and be at least 18 years old. This program is not yet available in each country, but I'm gonna give you pro tips for people that just join in or about to join in. Very important is that what was in the beginning of creativity program beta, when TikTok was paying $1 for 1,000 views on average, and you was getting a CPM of around $6-7 on my videos. I had a separate page focused only on finance, real estate, and investing. Is that now the more people join in, the payments from TikTok are actually going lower and lower and lower. And there are a lot of factors that are not actually mentioned. There are a lot of videos that will be disqualified from TikTok. And the reason for it is that if there isn't enough community for advertisers to promote their services right in front of, this video will not be qualified for the actual feed. What I'm even trying to say, for example, let's say you're making amazing vlogs, right? But these vlogs are general vlogs, they don't have a particular topic, nothing circle around finance or sports or hobby. Every video is different location, different topic. So these videos most likely will not qualify for creativity program beta because TikTok doesn't know what kind of ads to offer to the companies, right? So if a company goes to TikTok and says, okay, we have, let's say, a whiskey brand, right? We want to promote whiskey. We want to promote, let's say, cosmetics. And they know exactly where to send these people because they know which accounts are creating content around whiskey or around cosmetics. But if your content is, every video is different, your audience is not filtered. This is why, guys, my main tip for you will be just to focus on producing high quality content that is available for monetizing and for running ads. I understand you might be good into making vlogs, but focus on content that could be placed inside the TikTok app with ads. This will guarantee you that you will have a high CPM, that you will make a lot of money, and you will simply qualify, and every video will be qualified for the creativity program beta. Otherwise, you will be join the program, right? You're joining the program, and then you publish 10 videos, and out of these 10 videos, you might just get one video not qualified for the program, and then this might one video pay you like 10 cents, right? Doesn't make any sense. So this is how you join the creativity program beta, and this is how you actually make money. Because looking at the requirements is easy, but following the actual steps is much harder. You need to have much more experience. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.